Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and a very happy new year to everyone. So, it has been a good year since the first trading session. We have seen pick up in the momentum to the upside. So, let's discuss the rough structure of Nifty on a daily chart and we will try to just break it down what exactly it is offering. So, let's see on a daily chart, this is Nifty futures on TradingView. We see that once we were analyzing this particular swing to the upside, we were almost down to 50% of retracement in this leg of retracement. I mean correction. And once we look to find out the retracement, actual level of retracement, it has just touched the 50% mark, and just after that, it has started the up move. How far will it materialize? It is something to be discussed, or we'll see how the market plays out. Now, as you see, this was the low which was made on December 26th. After that, we had this up move, this particular swing from here to here. Now, under this swing, price is just consolidating. You see, this was not a simple consolidation, it was already broken into multiple pieces. Now, since this was one move, we are just trying to waste time here because correction requires time. And possibly what I'm thinking that we will keep on consolidating like this, these swings will keep on consolidating, and we might see something like this, and finally we'll be breaking above 18375, 18375. So what we will be looking for tomorrow's trading session, we'll be looking for a buy around this area with a stop loss of this swing low. This will be a wide stop loss, so make your I mean the position charging as per the stop loss, it will be somewhere roughly around 70-80 points. So if you are trading positionally, you can just drop the number of lots, or you can adjust according to the risk management which you follow. So we will be looking for a retracement somewhere in this area. There is a possibility that we'll be getting a retracement like this, and we will try to waste time somewhere here, because once we have broken above this, we might get a cup and handle kind of thing, or something like a basing pattern. You can name it anything, but more so over it will be a consolidation. And once this consolidation is completed, we might see a break above that. So this will be our thesis going forward for tomorrow's trading session. In case we are having a gap down, then only we will be following this rule. Shorts will only be initiated below 18,227, or to be precise, this is 18 to 22. So below 18 to 22, we'll be looking for shorts. In case we are getting a gap up somewhere here, or whatever the gap up is above this particular high, then we will be looking for a retracement. And once there is a pattern like this, which is called a pivot break to the upside, then we will be opening a long position. And also, if there is a upside move or a complete this kind of move, it might give a retracement to the previous support levels, which at this point was this. And if we are getting a up move, then there might be a possibility of consolidation like this up till here or here. So we'll be looking for that. And in case we are opening somewhat upside and just giving something like this, then this will be your long trade. All right, so this will be your long trade. Do not get into the trade just for sake of trading, because if you see, the market is not exactly established, or it is not in a flow. It is just consolidating, so there will be whipsaws. It may gap up but still start moving down to take support somewhere near the previous levels. So just keep a watch on that. I have given all the scenarios. What if we are getting a flat opening? Then we'll be looking for a long position here, keeping the stop loss here. If we are getting a gap down, then we'll be waiting for a pullback, small pullback, and after this pullback low is broken, we will be opening a short. If we are getting a completely, outburst opening, which is opening high, then we'll be opening for, waiting for a retracement to these key levels here or here. And once it rotates, you know once it gives something like this and then rotates like this, then we'll be opening a long position. So this is the thesis for tomorrow in the indexes. Let's quickly look at the stocks. Okay, so this is Jindal Steel and Power. We have been keeping this from quite a while. Still, I'll be looking for a long entry above 605, keeping the stop loss around 5 595. So this will be your long trade for Jindal Steel. If you see, if you try to analyze the swings, what you will see, this was a complete swing to the upside. Retracement hardly 25-30%. Next swing, next swing, retracement somewhere around golden ratio. So this was very sweet entry for trading 618 system. Enter here and your target would be somewhere around 605. Now get the next swing. Swings are getting smaller and smaller to the upside. You see, now the next swing, this, it is getting smaller. What does it emphasize? It gives a premise that buyers are losing some strength to the upside. So you should be cautious. Opening above 605, keeping a stop loss of 595 will be a good area instead of buying a pullback, because we may get a complete reversal from here. So only buy if it crosses above 595. Sorry, 605. Next is Hindustan Copper. It is well going, so I'll be looking for a buy around 100, 117.5 and keeping this stop loss somewhere around 114. So this will be your area. Buy above 117.5, stop loss of 115. I think we entered somewhere around 1110 and it has been going very good since then. All right, let's jump on to HDFC Life. This is a very good stock. If you see on a daily chart, it is forming a basing pattern. It has been a a very lagging performer. People used have started to calling it like a ITC of insurance sector. But you see, HDFC has a good mode. HDFC is a very good brand, and going forward, this particular, if you see, this particular area is just giving consolidation. If it was to go down, it would have gone down here. It would have gone down here. But you see, there is somebody who is not willing to put the prices below this point. So there might be a possibility. The probability of going up from here is very much high. So you should be looking for a buy around 600, keeping a stop loss of 593.5. And for trailing, you just keep on trailing behind every swing low which is formed concurrently. All right, next one is Astral. It has also given, sharp move after these 3-4 days of consolidation. So buy above 2023.5, SL of 200, 2000, and for trailing purpose, just keep on trailing behind every swing low. All right, so these are the stocks which should be kept on watch list, and if you get the setup something like this, you can open a position accordingly. All right, guys, this is it for the first trading video of 2023, and hope it will be very good, profitable year going ahead. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it so that you can get some benefit from the video analysis which we are making, and you can comment, share, and I will be replying back on the same. And thank you very much for the support. Thank you.